Hi friends, welcome back to elftoyz. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing another doll repaint, and this time we've got a pixeling doll. I haven't seen many people mod pixeling dolls. I've seen a couple, not very many, so I did say on my first doll repaint, the Mercy video, I really wanted to experiment with various different dolls, and today we've got the pixelings. I really wanted to mod one of them just to see what it's like, because every doll has its differences. I definitely know it's gonna be a tiny little challenge making her clothes. I'm turning her into not just a fairy, but also one of my favorite characters of my childhood. So today's project is Tinkerbell from Peter Pan, and I love the idea of turning a pixel into a Tinkerbell because she's really tiny. If Tinkerbell was real, she would be pretty much this size in real life, so she could like sit on my shoulder and everything. A real life-size Tinkerbell, and we're gonna give her a complete makeover. So we have a lot to do, and I hope everyone comes along as I share my journey making this little girl. So I filmed a lot of this video on my phone, but I hope it's still nice and still shows you exactly what I did. I think it does, but let me know. We're gonna go turn this beautiful pixeling into a Neverland fairy. Let's go!
So let's get started on our doll. Pixelings come in these potion bottles. I've already made the potion before, you can see it on my shorts or TikTok. This is her doll stand, but I don't really like it, so I'm not sure I'll be reusing it. And this is the doll before my transformation. Let's begin by removing her original outfit. I'm also going to cut off her unicorn wings to make room for some fairy wings. The faces on these dolls are so cute. They have so many little details. The hair is also gorgeous and so soft. I'm going to save it for another project for sure. The hair is gone, and now I can move on to prepping her face. I'm going to use pure acetone to remove the original paint from her face. The factory paint on the pixeling faces is so hard to remove compared to other dolls, so it took a lot longer to remove than normal. But eventually we did it. Now I just need to remove the star from her forehead, which was easier after all that acetone, and I'm going to use polyfiller to fill in the gaps on her forehead. While the filler dries, I'm going to get started on the body. I just need to get rid of her painted on top, using my Dremel to carefully sand it off. After sanding, this is the final result. The doll is fully deconstructed and ready for some paint. I'm using the leftover paint I got for my Mercy doll, and after a few coats we have a base doll ready to transform. I'm going to start by painting her head with a warm butterscotch yellow acrylic paint. After the paint is dry, I'm going to take some blonde hair I harvested from an old wig, and I'm going to reroot the doll's hair. A little editing magic and the hair is done. It's time for her face up. I'm happy with the face, now I just need to finish her eyes with tiny rhinestones. I'm also going to gloss her eyes and lips with UV varnish. The face is ready and now I just need to shade the body. I'm going to quickly style her hair into a bun. And this is what the doll looks like so far. She looks so different from her original pixeling form already. This was my second time rerooting a doll and my third face up. I'm really happy with my skills evolution so far. And next we can move on to making her clothes. Our little dress and shoes are done. Next, I'm going to make her some fairy wings. I'm also going to mod the potion bottle. I'm using acetone and a cotton pad to remove the paint. And I'm going to use some painter's tape to mask off the parts of the bottle I don't want painted. I'm also going to paint a Mixies wand to match everything. I'm going outside to prime everything and then I'll use green acrylic paints and glitter to finish it off. The bottle is done and I'm so glad to have this unique one-of-a-kind pixeling bottle to match my doll. Now I just need to finish the wand.
Result. Are you ready, guys? I can't wait to show you. Whee! She's so tiny and cute. I can't believe I made her with my own two hands. Isn't she cute? And that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm really happy with how my doll painting journey is coming along so far. I hope you're enjoying it too. So let me know what you think in the comments. Are you enjoying my new doll repaint journey, or should I go back to doing other types of videos? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you very soon on my next doll repaint. Bye!